Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. Say all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope you are all on the same page on this regard that I am providing a very, very crucial, very, very important civil justice sign off for myself, and it's a multitasking. So I will quickly read through the civil justice sign off so that we all can be on the same page, and I must get the civil justice without any delay right in front of entire human kingdom, right in front of entire nations only, according to the Holy Bible guidelines of civil law. For I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis is Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars USA government can provide effective, immediate, using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide can help me. So the scandal of Republica Europe nations worldwide is Republica prostitution, IRA Roth loans nations, never educated USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, and a true supreme civil judge, and it is fatal negligence of Republica prostitution, IRA Roth loans nations to be fatal negligence. Either USA government should say knows who is Republica prostitution, IRA Roth loans nations, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica prostitution, IRA Roth loans nations. Republica prostitution, IRA Roth loans nations created robocall poverty mandate, and it is the deadliest crime as of February 2021, and it comes under the domestic violence classification of breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, and trespass to land and types, and trespass to chattels. So, as of February 2021, civil justice sign-off is to be served to I. Vedapriya Prose is I. Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, owned the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off. USA prostitution, IRA loans nations with fatal negligence failed to educate. USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I. Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republican government were GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I. Vedapriya Prose abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away 4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,000 plus dollars since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 2021 to I. Vedapriya Prose. So enforced finance debt disability to I. Vedapriya Prose abruptly, and it is crime for Republican prostitution. IRA Roth loans nations when ruling USA never educated USA should never provide enforced poverty to I. Vedapriya Prose. So our civil justice is I. Vedapriya Prose wants Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,000 plus dollars and sign off tax-free $5,000, and USA Republica prostitution IRA Roth loans nations must sign off tax-free $500,000 billion to be direct deposited in my bank account for all types damages done by selfish cunning, Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs, types, wild endangered species, and health creators, and at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA will provide needful help accordingly to be in the same page. And I hope we are all on the same page on this regard, right? So thank you all, my dear fellow mankind. Take care. Bye now. Have a good day.